On the off chance that you're searching for smooth love mixture cost expectations, conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of smooth love elixir will in a real sense go from now on, we will really investigate the previous costs of exceptionally smooth love mixture. And we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Kindly explicitly remember that you really want to basically take this forecast and each truly other expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable in a quite large manner. In any case, we will sort of make an honest effort, which is very critical. We should begin in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir most certainly passed value examination in a genuinely huge manner, as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of smooth love elixir certainly is $0. SLP is presently especially positioned number 234 in the whole crypto-biological system. The core supply of smooth love mixture is 42,447,052,899 with a market cap of $107,528,790 or so they generally thought. In the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.65% in its essentially current worth, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Smooth love mixture is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP especially is down to nearly 16.22% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which is very critical. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have in any case. We don't feel that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, which is very critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP diminished by 24.132%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0 its especially current worth in a fundamentally huge manner. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it very well may be a decent truly purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy venture. The 90 days cost change really is around 1.27%, and the cost especially flowed from a base especially normal cost of $0 most extreme especially normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. An especially most recent 4 months smooth love mixture by and large has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we certainly believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period, as indicated by the most recent information gathered. The exchanging volume of kind of smooth love mixture is expanded from 4 months, which really is very critical. The exchanging volume comprises an essential job in its cost. The coin generally is up by 4.55% with the extremely greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0. The especially least typical cost of truly was around $0 beyond 4 months. We anticipate future smooth love elixir cost expectation. SLP estimate by applying profound genuinely computerized reasoning helps specialized examination on the specific past value information of smooth love mixture, which in a real sense is very huge. We give a valiant effort to gather in every way that really matters. Greatest verifiable information for the SLP coin which incorporate different boundaries like past value, kind of smooth love mixture market cap, smooth love elixir volume and all things considered, hardly any more. In the event that you in a real sense are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and truly need kind of good profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2023 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the cost of smooth love elixir is especially anticipated to sort of reach at least degree of $0, which is genuinely critical. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Or so they thought. Smooth love mixture value expectation 2024 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of smooth love elixir especially is supposed to in a real sense reach at least value worth of $0. The SLP cost can sort of arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, the truly normal worth of $0. SLP value figure for 2025 the cost of smooth love elixir basically is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0 2025. The by and large smooth love elixir cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2025. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2026. The cost of one sort of Smooth Love elixir is supposed to reach at least degree of 1 cent in 2026. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 1 cent, with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2026 in an unpretentious manner. Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2027. The cost of Smooth Love elixir is anticipated to explicitly reach at the very least degree of 1 cent in 2027. Amazingly, the Smooth Love Mixture cost can sort of arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 2 cents, with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2027. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2028. Smooth Love elixir cost is estimated to arrive at a practically the most reduced fundamentally conceivable degree of 2 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a very most extreme conceivable degree of 2 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 2 cents. Or so they certainly thought. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2029. Smooth Love elixir cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced sort of conceivable degree of 3 cents in 2029. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 4 cents, with the typical estimate cost of 4 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Figure 2030. As per our kind of profound specialized examination on sort of past value information of SLP, in 2030 the cost of genuinely Smooth Love elixir in every way that really matters is determined to explicitly be at around a base worth of 5 cents. The Smooth Love elixir value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of 6 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 5 cents in USD. Smooth Love elixir value expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2031 the cost of genuinely Smooth Love mixture is basically anticipated to reach at the very least degree of 8 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 9 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 8 cents. Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2032. The cost of Smooth Love elixir is truly anticipated to reach at least worth of 12 cents in 2032. The extremely Smooth Love mixture cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of 14 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 12 cents all through 2032. Is Smooth Love elixir a wise venture? Smooth Love elixir's esteem is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general most certainly empower cost rise, if it's not too much trouble. Note, there is a gamble to any speculation, in spite of mainstream thinking. Just for the most part put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the very greatest examination conceivable, which is genuinely huge. What is the fate of certainly Smooth Love mixture? The fate of Smooth Love elixir is exceptionally reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into SLP, you want to ensure that you in a real sense are utilizing the right technique. This kind of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a lopsided gamble profile. In any case, still a magnificent venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary position, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, SLP likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation in a consistently developing environment. What is the Smooth Love mixture cost today? Today, especially Smooth Love mixture is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $107,528,719. What will be the SLP in every practical sense? Most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2023, which in a real sense is very huge. The SLP cost is supposed to arrive at a genuinely